In today's art lesson, we will learn how to draw and paint a jellyfish. So let's get started. You will need a piece of paper. I'm going to be using watercolor paper, but just use what you have available to you. You will need some watercolor paints and a paintbrush, any size will do. You will need some water in a cup or a bowl, and you will need something to draw with. So you can use a black oil pastel like I am going to use. You can use a crayon or a colored pencil or a marker, a permanent marker. It's up to you. All right, so let's get started. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to make an upside down U starting in the middle of our sheet of paper, about right here. We're going to go up and then come down like this. This is going to be the body of our jellyfish. Now underneath that line, we're going to make a wavy line that connects each end of that line. Close up that shape. Now that we have our body of our jellyfish, let's go ahead and make some tentacles down here at the bottom. So what we're going to do is we're going to make some slightly wavy lines and even some swirls if you'd like this. Different lengths, that's what I like to do. Maybe one more right here. Some spirals or swirls at the end. All right, now what we can do is we can create a little bit of detail on the inside of our jellyfish. I'm just going to make some really big eyes like this because I like that look for a cartoon jellyfish. And maybe they'll be looking to the side, those eyes. So I'm going to put some pupils in there. And then maybe a surprise look like this. Now I think what I'll do is I'll add a little bit of detail here at the top, maybe some circles. This just adds a little bit more interest. And then if you'd like to add anything on the outside of your jellyfish, you can go ahead and do that. I think I'll add some more circles, some bubbles. Anytime I see a space, I like to just add a little something there. Alrighty, I think I'm finished adding my details onto my design, and what we're going to do now is we're going to start painting. So I am going to use the colors pink for the jellyfish and then blue for the background and then maybe a lighter blue for these little bubbles right here. And I'm not sure about this area right up here where I have these circles. I'm not sure what color I'm going to use yet. So I'm just going to start with the pink because I feel like that would be a good color for my jellyfish. Alrighty, I'm finished painting my design. I hope that you had a lot of fun with this project. If you did, please like and subscribe. It really does help out my channel. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.